Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order food on Bloxburg when you're too lazy to cook at home. So you're just going to go to build mode and you're going to go to decorate and just like type in phone. And you're just going to add in like a desk phone or this one or even like the wall phone into your house. I already have one, so I'm not going to add another one. Just going to walk to my office. Then to order the food, just select interact on the phone, order food. You can either order pizza or a burger. I'll just order a burger here. Oops. And you can select what you want to order. I'm just going to order a burger. It's going to call and it will soon be here. It does take a little bit longer to get to your house. Where do I live? I live like here. Okay, so just wait outside and then let me just pay my bills. Just wait outside and they're going to come to your house to deliver your food. Don't know how long I'm going to wait for it though, because it does take a long time. You're just going to select it and you're just going to select take, but I promise you it does work. It just takes really long for it to get delivered to your house, especially if you live a little bit further from the place. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. See, it says food delivery. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, here it is. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Let me just take my burger. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. What? Did he eat it? What the heck?